Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 2nd, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is crafts. Cityscape, Where Science and Art Meet, by April Pulley Sayer. Rectangle, right angle, window, wall. A windy canyon where shadows fall. Lines merge, diverge, divide. Science, math, art live side by side. Curve, an arch. Triangle, tower. Structures transmit, transport, and power. Rows. Columns. Ceilings face floors. We enter and exit wheels and doors. Bricks and blocks, if they could talk. Sea creatures swim, fossils and rocks. Clouds paint pictures as they pass, reflections warp in window glass. Edges form ledges, lettering and lanes. Pilings and trusses bolster bridges and trains. Gear teeth mesh, axles spin, pulleys and levers haul up and in. Tension, suspension. Materials, mass. Liquids and solids, vapors and gas. Engineers, artists, architects. Love each line. Light glows, energy flows. Cities shine. The end. Okay, we're going to make a Super Puff sculpture. These are Super Puffs. It's your craft to go kit. All you're going to need is a sponge and some water. And I'm just going to soak the sponge in there. Bring it out a bit. You don't want to dip the Super Puffs in the water or else they'll start to disintegrate. And you can make anything you want. You can make a design. You can make an actual shape, whatever you want. I'm just dampening the Super Puffs a bit, and then I stick them together and see how they stay. So I think I'm going to make a flower. This will be the center of the flower. I'm just dampening it and sticking it to it. I'm shaping it with my fingers. It's all stuck together. That's all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and keep working on this, and when it's done, I'll come back. And that's it. That's my little flower made out of Super Puff. See how it sticks together? So it can stand up.